guys, so I am back. We are out the kitchen. I had to clean up my mess. I hate a dirty kitchen, but I'm not gonna lie, I have started without you. I am so sorry. I smashed a whole hard-boiled egg, a couple of these strips. Oh yeah, let me show you. Look at that seasoning on there. Look how juicy that is. Bite it. Bite it. Fire. So I was gonna put some butter on the side, but instead I used cocktail sauce. I just love the way it tastes. I love the way it tastes. But I have saw a couple of things where people were frying their seafood and stuff like that. I'm thinking about trying it. I'm not too sure. I know the chicken will be fire. Hot chip batter with some cheese. Really good. Really, really good. And then also gumbo. We should make that. We can make that together. Chicken, sausage, crab meat. I'll let you use crawfish too. If you got that, you can use either or both. But it makes it way better. It makes it way better. And also, I cooked earlier. I am so sorry I didn't do a video on it. But I made meatloaf, greens, carrots, and mashed potatoes and gravy. And I made my gravy from scratch. I had used the fat and the oil that was in my meatloaf. You know, you bake it in the oven and you got the fat and some meat at the bottom and stuff. But that's what I used. So I heated my skillet up first. Then I poured the oil with some of that meat fat in it. But you gotta be quick with it because you don't want your oil to burn, so you don't have your pan too high up. And then you take some flour. You take flour, your seasons you like. You know, of course, what mine is. If you don't know, they're in the previous video. Go watch it. Like and subscribe. But it was just so good. It was so good. Like to have that homemade mashed potato. I'm like, I didn't do potatoes with this because I had potatoes earlier. And I already done got thick. I ain't trying to boil all the way up. But a girl can't eat. So again, crab meat. Fire. Fire. You know when food's so good, you just get to dancing and shaking. You're just like, ah, yeah. I'm putting it in my belly. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. But it is so good. I hate to be smacking. But, and I'm trying to control it, as you can see. But it's good. And I love corn on the cob. I love it. I love it so much. I even like my Mexican corn. I can't think of the name because when I was younger, I used to call it balutes or something like that. But I learned that's the wrong name for it. One of my homegirls taught me when we were like 3rd grade. We used to put like mayonnaise on it, like seasoning salt, some sugar. It's fire. It might sound nasty, but it's good. I'm gonna make it for you so we can eat that together. But this right here, you should see my belly just swelling up. I can't even just tell you. I'm not even gonna lie. I ate half my plate before I start this video, so I'm sorry. You try to clean up the kitchen and you just got this food that smells so good. It was really good. Oh, yes. Now I cooled off a little bit. I just in my natural form, you guys see. Nothing really. Oh, my lashes are on. Of course, Akita Monet. Check it out. Instagrammer. Akita Monet Lux Life. That's AKITAMONALUXLIFE. I know that's half the alphabet, but it's worth it. Don't forget, also check me out on IG. It's also that's _you. Everything is spelled out just like it is. And again, like and subscribe. We're popping. So my day been pretty much stay at home. I really haven't done anything much. Clean up. Worked on my little business, so I've been like all day long. Had a couple of pictures I had to take. Yeah, so I've dressed up earlier. I was really digging my little makeup earlier. I had foundation on and stuff. Like, I'm not too big on foundation because I like my freckles. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I love my freckles, and foundation covers it up. I like what my mama gave me. That beautiful, hey, Char face. Well, big Char. But it was pretty well together. And the person who did it, this pretty much put concealer just around here and stuff. So I gotta show you guys that video too on how that was. What did you guys do today? Oh, my whole egg dropped. We're gonna eat it anyway. Did anybody focus on themselves today? Take time out to focus on your business to make you grow. That looks funny as heck, don't it? But focus on yourself. Take a little time for yourself. The world keeps tearing you down. Don't let people tear you down either. Sometimes you gotta take a step back from like your inner circle or family members, people that you're around. Let that stuff go. Just out the wind. Oh my god, I do not know how stuff I'm getting, but it is so good. It is so good. It is so good. You know, you can comment right down in that email, or not right down the email, right down in the comment section, or email me. Dinner discussions, that way we can sit here and talk and rap. If you guys got a certain meal that you're looking for, something that you want to try that you haven't, or you're scared to, let's try it together. That's what we're here for. You guys are my family, my friends, my base. This is who I go to get it all out. And I've had a rough, well, let me tuck in a little string. I've had a rough week. It's just been so busy. Like, work had really kicked my butt. Just with the demands, we're moving locations and trying to pack up everything, help my boss and stuff, while maintaining that cool girl look. Like, yeah, everything is fine. We got this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Like, I feel bad for my big bosses because they don't want to really how to do everything. Like, get our building together. We're supposed to have a workout room. I don't know how it's a workout room if it doesn't have machines. They said you can do yoga and free weights. Guess I'll be lifting. You guys will see me in about a month. Like, no, I'm not gonna put all that energy into weightlifting, but I would like a elliptical or a treadmill, or even the stairs. Like, it has this machine that is so dope. That's the stairs. It is so hard to do too, because I was out of breath like in 2 minutes maybe. Yeah, but I can sit there and run on a treadmill for like 5. Like, run. And that's a song. Run. Hey, run. But I can do that. So it was like, these stairs, nobody. But you have to give yourself a little bit of exercise. Even if it's jumping jacks, a little bit of crunch here and there. Do some squats to work out your whole body. And from male and females, women want men to look good for them too. So to all my men out there, keep it sexy. Keep it cool. And to all my women, keep your body together for yourself. I told you guys about heart. Our hearts are our TikToks, and we have to keep that together. Like I said, jumping jacks, jump rope, that works it out. It gives you your cardio that you need. Now, I don't know how fast you might lose weight or things like that. I'm not a doctor. I just know what I do. You know, these are my sole opinions. But just do you. Do something for you. Like me, I got a lot of things in the pot, and I can't wait to really like share it with you guys and just show you, like, no matter where you come from, what situation you've been in, what you've been through, man, it's always a way up. It's always a way up. So I'm gonna wrap this up because I don't want to eat too much. Then my stomach be hurting for the night. I have made a mess everywhere, so I gotta clean this up, throw it down in the washer. I am going to get this together so I can get it out to you guys. Don't forget, hit that like, hit subscribe. IG, also that's you, but it's with the underscore between that's and you, so it's also that's underscore you. And then you have Akita Monet for lashes. But just make sure you guys just check me out. Like I said, comment in the box, hit an email, let me know what's going on. Have a good one, love.